field trippers? So glad you could join us on this beautiful day. Charlie decided to come over and we thought we'd put on a little outdoor concert on the patio. We love playing music together, we've been doing it for a long time, and we love playing outside, so we thought this is just perfect. Well, should we get started?
Yeah, well, why don't we start with the one about the fire-breathing chicken?
Oh, that's a great one to start with. So the idea for this song was suggested by my friend Charlotte. She said, Mr. Field Trip, I think you should write a song about a fire-breathing chicken, and I didn't have one, so here it is. Well, once there was a farmer with a fire-breathing chicken, a gentle little speckle-headed hen. And if she wasn't careful, when she would get excited, she would cluck and it would cook one of her friends. Well, the farmer was suspicious when the barnyard smelled delicious, and it wasn't because the barbecue was on. And he couldn't help but fearing, with the cattle disappearing, soon his bread and butter would be gone. But faintly in his ears he heard tiny little tears, and he followed them to where the chicken sat. Well, what troubles you, my dear? She looked at him and cried, I'm worried that I cooked the family cat. Uh-oh. Well, the farmer said, don't worry. That cat was awful furry, consistently complaining of the heat. And besides, you didn't cook him, you just gave him a trim by singeing all the hair above his feet. Whew, what a great relief it was to shed herself from grief, because now the chicken knew she could succeed. She was very different, but she could use her talent to do something the farm would really need. And the farmer was inspired with his chicken-breathing fire, but he wondered how to benefit the most. Well, maybe they would use her as a furnace or a boiler, or maybe they would start producing toast. And so they grabbed a couple udders, they churned a bunch of butter, they sliced the bread and then they cut the cheese. And she fired up the skillet, just hot enough to grill it. You could smell the melting cheddar on the breeze. And the neighbors were delighted when they were all invited by the farmer to attend a fancy spread. And among them was a dragon who was great at laying eggs. And he said, well, I will do her job instead. And so the farmer got him settled, and she boiled up the kettle. And every day she brings him out his tea. And he sits upon her nest because he does that job the best. But together, they're as happy as can be. Fire-breathing chicken, just a gentle little speckle-headed hen. And if she wasn't careful, when she would get excited, she would cluck and it would cook one of her friends. Well, Charlie, that was great. It sure is fun to play music with your friends. Oh, and speaking of friends, look who decided to join us.
Hey, Disco.
This is fantastic. Now we have a full band. What do you think? Disco, wanna shake some egg for us? Oh, right on. 1, 2, 3. Nice catch. What should we play next? I know. How about another song about friends? If you're not lucky enough to have your friends close by, you spend a lot of time thinking about them. And if you close your eyes and imagine, you can travel long distances to be together in your imagination. This one's called Hot Balloon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Late at night, I looked up above all the lights towards the moon, and I like to think that you might be right now looking at it too. So I can scream my love above, hope that it reaches you. But if I did not time it right, there is still something you can do before you fall asleep tonight. In your grandfather's living room, you can read the note I wrote and post it for you on the moon. It says that every night I miss you, and every afternoon I've marked a wall for every hour. Now I'm running out of room, and I don't have an aeroplane, so I know what I need to do. If I found one that I could use, then I could fuel my own balloon by adding all the breath I lose for every time that I think of you. For every time that I think of you. Thermos full of juice, a blanket and a pillow, and I'll climb in my balloon, and I'll be smiling as I cut the line and rise above the roof. Oh, I don't know the way to you, so flying blind I'll have to do, and I could float around for days, never lose a drop of fuel. I'd never lose a drop of fuel. But my wireless connection was corrupted by a goose. Cellular reception does not fly in this balloon. And so, my baby, while you're waiting there, the best that I can do, well, it may be floating slowly, but it's riding in a big balloon. Maybe floating slowly, but it's riding in a big balloon. And if you're feeling lonely, read the note I wrote up on the moon. Read the note I wrote up on the moon. Read the note I wrote up on the moon. 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 Hey, well done, everyone. That was great. I think we should do another one just with that same arrangement. It sounded so good.
Good idea.
Let's see, another upbeat song. Oh, I know. This one was inspired by our cooking session with Chef Alexis. We learned so many different ways to cook food. Ready? Sometimes we barbecue, sometimes we broil, sometimes we bake it and we wrap it up in foil. Sometimes we fry it in a pan with a tablespoon of oil, and sometimes we eat it cold. Sometimes we braise it, sometimes we roast, sometimes we spread it on a crispy piece of toast. Sometimes we share it with the friends we like the most, and sometimes we eat alone, but we should eat it. Yeah, we should eat it. We should mash it, we should smash it, we should beat it. We should stuff it, we should grind it, we should roll it out and knead it. We should eat it, we should eat it, we should eat it. Yeah, we should blend it, and we should squeeze it. We should whip it with a whisk, and then we'll leave it. We'll pour it in a mold, and we will freeze it. Then we will eat it, we will eat it, we will eat it. Yeah, we should eat it, we should eat it. We should mash it, we should smash it, we should beat it. We should stuff it and grind it and roll it out and knead it. We should eat it, we should eat it, we should eat it. We will boil it and we will brine. We will marinate with wine. And we will score it, we'll sear it. It will sizzle, and they will hear it. We will serve it, and they will cheer it. We will eat it, we will eat it, we will eat it. Yeah, we should eat it. We we should eat it. We should mash it, we should smash it, we should beat it. We should stuff it, we should grind it, we should roll it out and knead it. We should eat it, we should eat it, we should eat it. Whew, that was great. It's starting to make me a little bit hungry. Maybe we should do one more song about food.
All right.
How about the fruits and vegetables song?
I love that song.
Nice. When you sit down at the table, there's something you should do to make sure you've got enough nutrition in your food. Meat and cheese is wonderful and bread is lovely too. But don't forget your vegetables and don't forget your fruit. There's lots of different vitamins your body really needs. Lots of them are located inside of leafy greens. Lots inside asparagus, lots inside of beans. But if you need ideas, you can choose from some of these. There's onions and cucumbers, carrots and there's corn, peppers and there's lettuces in several different forms, celery and spinach and tiny little chives. There's turnips and zucchinis of a most amazing size. And all these different vegetables will taste like different things. It's very hard to hate them all, no matter what you think. But if you don't like the texture or seeing them at all, you can hide them in a sauce or chop them very small. There's kiwis and pineapples, oranges and limes, apples, pears and peaches, yup, so many different kinds. There's grapes and guavas, papayas, and there's figs. There's berries that are little and melons that are big. You should try to eat them fresh. It's best to eat them whole. You can pick them from a tree or slice them in a bowl. And don't forget to wash them up just like you wash your hands, 'cause sometimes there are pesticides and sometimes there is sand. So when you sit down at the table, there's something you should do to make sure you've got enough nutrition in your food. Meat and cheese is wonderful and bread is lovely too. But don't forget your vegetables and don't forget your fruit. Hey, that was fantastic. Let's just keep rolling. What should we play next? I know. Why don't we play the song about our trip to the farm and meeting all those wonderful cows with dairy farmer Tom?
Yeah.
Well, I never knew that cows could be so charming. They always seemed to simply stand around. But then again, I never got to know them quite like this, and I'm thankful for the friendship that we found. 'Cause me and cows, we have a lot in common. We love to run around out in the field, and we love to get together for a big delicious dinner and then take a little snooze after the meal. And we love it when our food has been fermented, 'cause it makes it taste a little extra sweet. And we love it for the nutrients that get us through the winter when there's less out in the field for us to eat. And cows are simply magical producers, converting all that grass to milk and cheese. But sometimes the cows need assistance from the farmers, 'cause farmers know exactly what cows need. Well, I never knew that cows could be so charming, 'cause they always seem to simply stand around. Then again, I never got to know them quite like this, and I'm thankful for the friendship that we found. That was nice. Nice relaxed little tune about some relaxing cows. Gosh, we went on so many fun field trips lately. There's so many songs we could play. How about we finish up with one more song just about traveling in general? I love to travel. Ready, team?
Yep.
I don't need much money when I travel. You you can take a 4x4, I think I'll take a saddle. And I don't need to buy a horse, I found a field of cattle. No, I don't need much money when I travel. I don't need much money when I travel. You build a little character when you sleep out on the gravel. That may be the listed price, but everybody haggles. Guacamole's really nice, but I'm fine with avocados. No, I don't need much money when I travel. We don't need much money when we travel. Motorboats are awesome, but I found us each a paddle. I'll travel on a freight train and I'll travel on a camel. And the jingle of your pocket change is such a pleasant rattle. So lie in your recliners, back in coach we're playing Scrabble. You don't need much money when you travel. Packing snacks and sandwiches and road trips to Seattle. That was great. I sure do love traveling, and I love it when the field trippers come along with us. So thanks for joining us on all the amazing field trips we've done lately, and we look forward to the next one. Until then, stay safe and keep exploring. So long, field trippers. Put her there.